Welcome back. In this tutorial, we are going to make the level heads family from scratch. Then try to find the annotation families in our project to edit. And at last, create new level head by editing the existing head. So let's start. These are the default level heads as we open our file, but we can make any shape we want. But remember, we are not creating the levels itself, we are creating the level heads shape. So to create a fresh new level head, go to the file, open family, annotations, select level head, family template, and open. And now delete this text and delete this line also. We are going to create a fresh one. So I want to change the units. If we check feet, make it into mm. Also these mm. Okay. And now to create it, go to create line, make it 4 or 5, and this 25, and from here make shape like this, and maybe till here. And now delete this line. Now make this field. For this, go to create field region and create the boundary. Remember, it must be closed, and check it. Yes. Ready. Now we need name here and elevation here. For this, go to the create and label, and first we will go for name and make it to the right side, and you can name it sample like FFL, name it ground. Okay, so it will rename it as FFL ground. This is the sample, and make it maybe like this, but it's a bigger text. So edit type, duplicate, I need maybe 2 okay, and make the text to apply. Okay, now it's fine, and make it a little bit here. Yeah, it's fine. And if you want to change the background, make it transparent, apply. Okay, now same elevation, label, elevation to the right side, and sample value 99.99. Okay, and sorry, select it, make it 2 text, and place it under that line. Maybe like this, a little bit down. Yeah, fine. We need to save it. So file, save as family, and we will name it as triangular head for level, and save. Now load into the project. Now we have loaded it, but it's not changed here because we have to load it from the edit type also. So select it, edit type, then duplicate it and rename it as triangular head, and okay. And now from here make it triangular head for level, apply, and okay. And now you can see it's changed. You can make it same way, match MA, select this and select this one, and you can see it's ready. But you can see there is no plus sign here if we want to add it. So go to the edit, select it, edit label, select the elevation, and from here select this icon and uncheck properties and show plus for positive value. Okay, okay. Load into the project, overwrite, and now you can see plus is also added. Now by some reason if you close it and you want to open it, so if I close it and make it yes, if you want to open this family and edit, you can edit by going to the location where you have saved it. But by some reason you have also closed that, so you can open it one way. Go to the families, annotation samples, and from here select level head. Sorry, go to the triangular level head, right click and edit, and then it will be opened. We can save it as to make another level shape. For example, if I save as family and rename it as level triangular 2 and save. And now we need to change this, like I don't need this line, don't need this line, and for this I need edit sketch and select it, make it a full triangle, and okay. And now I need this to be here and this elevation to be here, maybe somewhere here. And moving them to the left side a little bit. Okay, you can delete this line, no need. And load into the project. We have already saved it, so no need to save. You can press Ctrl S, load it into the project, and now we create another level, double L, decline maybe 300, and now select it, edit type, duplicate, triangular head to, okay, and select from here level triangular 2, apply, and okay. Now you can see this shape is also ready. You can edit it and you can change the position of the level and the name. Now if you want another one with a different shape, you can experiment it. Go to this and make it save as family, and I need maybe hexagonal, hexagonal head, save, and now delete this, sorry, delete this, and from here create line and polygon with 6 sides and draw here like maybe this. Okay, now select it and move it here. Okay, now draw the lines from here to here, from here to here, from here to here maybe. Okay, and then we need filled alternative boxes, this and this. For this create filled region and this box, check it, and now you can mirror it from here to here, and then from here to here. Sorry, from here to here. Then you can see this is ready, and we have already named it. Load into the project, and if we create another level, select it, CS, create similar bit line, and 300 centimeter, and put it like this. We don't need this one. Select it, edit type, duplicate, hexagonal head. Okay, and from here select hexagonal head, apply. Okay, and then you can see you can move it like this. If we unlock this, move it little bit here, and now you can see our levels are ready. Which shapes we want, you can create any shape you want as per your country codes. So that's all from my side. Practice these to make the shapes of the level heads. Thank you so much.